Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're going to do a really quick look into something you've probably seen. That perfect sweater that's all over your social media feed.
The chunky knit one. Yeah, I know exactly which one.
Exactly. Well, it turns out it's the front for this huge global fraud network. We're talking about companies with names like Evoria Wear.
And our goal here is to basically give you the playbook, right? So
Yeah.
you can spot these things from a mile away.
So the hook is it's powerful, isn't it? You see these gorgeous, intricate cable knit sweaters. They have that, cozy, high-end
Oh,
vibe.
totally. And the price always seems just right. 30, maybe $60. Not cheap enough to be an obvious scam, but definitely a good deal.
Yeah. And you click, and the website itself looks legitimate. No spelling errors. It's all very professional.
And that's the first big trick. But the real tell, the immediate red flag that our sources point to is that the photos, well, they aren't real.
Not real photos of clothes. What do you mean?
No, they're AI-generated renders. If you look really, really closely, you can start to see it. The patterns don't quite line up from one angle to the next. The textures are, like, impossibly smooth.
Oh, okay. I can picture that.
And the shadows just look wrong, almost painted on. It's basically digital theft, but it comes with a fully functional checkout button.
So you go through the whole process. You hit buy, and everything seems normal, except maybe for the shipping time. It's long, like 3 to 6 weeks long.
And that delay is completely intentional. It's not bad logistics. It is a core part of the fraud. They need to get you past that easy window where you can dispute a charge with your credit card company.
Right. So you kind of forget about it, and you wait, and then the package finally shows up.
And this is where the classic switcheroo happens. Instead of that beautiful hand-knit sweater from the AI picture,
You get what?
you get a thin, cheap polyester hoodie. And the knit pattern is literally just screen printed onto the fabric.
Screen printed. You're
Yeah.
kidding.
I'm not. Our sources estimate the actual value of the item is maybe $3.
Wow. That's almost insulting. I mean, what did the sources say about how people reacted when they got that in the mail?
It's just complete shock. And again, the fraudsters are banking on that time gap. There was one specific story, this one customer who ordered a birthday gift back in September.
Okay.
And the package didn't even arrive until November. She described the material as toilet cleaning quality fabric.
Oh, that's rough. So by then, you've lost all that critical time to fight it, and I assume getting a refund is basically a nightmare.
It's the next pillar of the scam. The entire company is set up to avoid any accountability. Customer service emails, they just bounce. The listed return address traces to some non-existent location in China.
So there's no one even to talk to.
Exactly. Or if they do respond, they offer you like a 10% discount to just keep the junk. Most buyers had to go through the whole painful chargeback process with their bank.
And this isn't just one shoddy store.
Right. Not at all. This is a network. The sources found at least 8 different brand names. Everwear, Everwars, Evoria, you get the idea, all running the exact same scam.
Using the same fake photos?
The same AI photos, same website templates, same low-quality product. They just rebrand every few months once the negative reviews start to pile up. And they really target holiday gift buyers.
Of course.
Ah.
Because those items aren't going to be open for weeks, maybe longer.
By then, it's too late.
So if we pull this all together, the key lesson for you is this. The sophistication of this kind of modern retail fraud relies entirely on that perfect fabricated digital image.
They use AI to create a flawless product that can't actually be made for that price, and then they use that long shipping timeline to make getting your money back nearly impossible.
That moment of digital perfection is the moment you should be most suspicious.
Exactly.
So now that we know the photo is the very first lie, what other perfect online visuals might be hiding a documented fraud network? It's worth questioning everything you see.